So, hey guys, welcome back. I'm here with a new problem. Here's ugly number. What is ugly number? Ugly number is a number which is divisible or it only have prime factor as 2, 3 and 5. No other than that. If there is 7, it is not considered as we have if we'll take 6. So 2 and 3 are only two of these three prime factor. Okay. If it is 1, so 1 has no prime factor, so it will always return as true. If 14, so 2 into 7, it contains 7 prime factor and it is not here. So yes, it is not an ugly number. So let's go try this one. We gotta check again first if n is less than 0. So I want to check if this is less than 0, how would it be considered as ugly number? We are not here to check any negative integer. So we'll consider return it as false. False, and then we'll come out of here. Now we'll one by one checking. Actually, I'm doing it by brute force method. So we are checking it one by one for 2, 3, and 5. Then we'll um, check. Then finally, we'll take a condition of if. Okay, so let's start it. Uh, while n mod 2, if the number divisible by 2 gives a remainder 0, so enter the loop and then um, do n divide is equal to, this will divide a number by 2 if it gives remainder 0. Okay, again we gotta do this, so I'll just copy and we are gonna do it with 3, 3 and 5. Only 3 conditions, only 3 while loop. Yes, it will check for 2, it will check for 3, it will check for 5. Okay, and then coming out of this, uh, we'll check if that n is 1 is equals 1. We'll eventually return true, else we have to return false. I'm taking these curly bracket again and again unnecessarily. If you are not willing to take, yes, you can not. You should not. False, yes, written false, and I should have given a semicolon. So what will it do here? If let's take 6, so let's take 6. Uh, if it enters here, it gives us a remainder 0 by modulating by 2, so it gives a remainder 0. Then we'll enter this file. So we gotta do 6 divided by 2. It will give 3. It will give 3. Then we'll check for this. Yes, it will. It will give remainder 0. So it will be 3 divided by 3, 1. Then 1, 1. No, no, it will not satisfy this condition. So it will go downward, forward. So what was here? 3 divided by 3 is 1. So if the number is 1, we'll return true. Okay, so let's check for this one. Yeah, for 6 it is okay. For 1 it is okay. It is okay for 1. Okay, and for 14 it is also okay. We've checked. Okay, so thank you guys. That's all for this problem. Thank you.